binasugnya berbera bakla.
Barbary.
Oh,
Barbary. Barbary.
Iroda.
How long do you stay in Pangasinan already?
6 years, sir.
6 years.
Oh.
Very long. You know how to speak Pangalato, no?
Oh, Tagalog only, sir. Pangalato.
Tagalog only.
Yeah, konti only. Only konti.
Oh, you look. Oh. When you use the wood,
Yeah, dangerous for them.
They're dangerous to but here not.
No problem, yeah.
No problem here.
Because the feet is the hole is smaller than feet.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
it's more safer.
Safe. Very nice. Oh, long इसमें भी लंबे कान में.
It's very
It's already mixed.
Mix already mix. So already mix. How much the female like a 5 month, 4 month female
5,000.
or 5,000. And how age they will start the pregnant? Example 5 months, 6 months, 8 months, 9 months.
No. In local breed, when you graze them, after a month he hit again.
No, my mean.
After birth.
Yeah. They are become heat already after month. Yeah, that I know. But example that this is the 4 month the baby.
Yes.
So when she is ready for the pregnant for the breeding, when she ready.
Here in our place, we wait for the goat to mature first.
To like power macho like a 6 months, 7 months.
Yes. No, 6 months is still young.
Baby is still young. Okay.
About 8 months, 10 months.
8 to 10 and 8 and my India na anybody.
In
our country also 10 months.
Yeah.
10 months because she can be power
6 months is still is already going to hit, but we don't
breed because the baby
still
cannot
young.
be
The body is still young.
body is still young. Then the baby she born they are not powerful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because the mother is still young.
Must मतलब कच्ची उम्र नहीं होती ना.
We look at their
Kuya, you are working according to the theory. According to theory.
sometimes.
Sometimes.
की मतलब?
ये कुछ बुक का दी.
अच्छा. Sometime follow, sometime not follow.
Yeah.
Sometime follow your experience, diba?
Yes.
In theory, how many animals allow you? How many are allow you?
It depends on how many
This is
goat can eat. Because they don't have. We give them in the morning. See to it that everybody can eat.
yeah.